Żgur li ħadd mhu se jinsa dik l-għodwa kera tal-24 ta' Frar li għadda.
Psychologically, it is extremely difficult. One day you just wake up. No, none of us will forget the 4 in the morning of the 24th of February, like ever. It's to compare in the world, most of the people know now 9/11 and will remember forever where they were the moment the plane hit. The same thing is for us, the 24th of February 2022. And it's very traumatic, and it will take generations or definitely many years to actually get over all of this. But for now, all of us are just bracing for the victory.
Qarret Alexia Melkoljan mill-Fondazzjoni għall-Komunità Ukrena f'Malta f'intervista li saritilha minn Robert Cremona waqt il-programm Net Live. Hija saħqet li din il-gwerra qed tgħaddihom minn perjodi differenti ta' trauma li żgur se jħallu impatt fuq ħajjithom u li mhux se jinsew qatt.
I guess you need to look into psychology for this, and then you kind of pair it with certain stages of trauma and how you get used to trauma, and some way you adapt, some way you start living a life a bit. It has stages, and obviously now 7 months into it, what has happened in the first 3 months is quite incomparable to what is the way you see things or the way you live now. Me personally, I'm really trying to build my life back together. Maybe the last month I'm sort of trying to manage. But I know a lot of people in the community for whom it's very, very difficult and might not happen for a while, especially when your son or your husband is on the front line. We all have family or friends who are on the battleground.
Alexia tistqar li l-poplu Ukren jinsab fiduċjuż li se tasal dik il-ġurnata fejn din il-gwerra tispiċċa.
From a couple of months ago, there was some statistics of about 87% of Ukrainians being certain in the victory. The question is when? And I guess the counteroffensive in Kharkov shows us that our army has a very good strategy and is working in a strategic manner. So we do believe in them, and we all know, falling back onto our history, that the more united we are behind our servicemen, the stronger we all are.
Marija Franca Lanza, Net News.